Hello everybody, this is Gavin from Fresh Eco Steam Cleaning, and today we're gonna do a detail on a motorcycle. We got a customer site. We're on a customer site here, and what we're gonna do is detail a Indian motorcycle. What we're gonna do is steam wash it, polish the metal, and of course wax it, and take care of every little thing in between. So what I'll do now is I'm actually gonna flip the camera. So here's the motorcycle right here. Like I said, it's an Indian motorcycle. It's a customer's motorcycle, and believe it or not, it took me a while for him to allow me to detail his motorcycle. I've been doing his cars every month, but now I think this is the second or third time I'm detailing his motorcycle, full detail. So he just came back. He was riding around, say he put about 1,000 miles on it. And I just want to show you, it's kind of hard, of course, on the camera to pick it up. But you can see some dust there. Reflection, not good to see. Hopefully you can see the dirt on the motorcycle. Let's look at the chrome. It's dirty right here. Mostly dusty. But what I'll do is I'll show you guys how we steam the bike. We use the steam to clean it, and we used air to dry it, and some towels. So let me get that set up. I'll show you how we do it. So here's the bike. So you can see, you can or can't see, it has dust on it. The purpose of this video here is the process that we use to clean these motorcycles. The first thing I'm going to do is use this. It's my vacuum. What I'm going to do is use it to blow out all the loose dirt. Step one. Step two. Grab my handy dandy steamer and start steaming the machine. Steam everything. Steam the seats, steam the What's cool about the steam is it gets you into all those little cracks and crevices that you can't normally reach. All inside there. The logo, the pedals on the bike, footrest, the fins on the motor. All right, so now the bike is wet. All right, so then I'll go back to the step one, drying the bike. And how we do that is we grab this guy again. Look at that. Hopefully you can see. So now, bike's been steam washed. Now what we gotta do is, what I like to do next is polish the chrome. And this is what I actually use to polish the chrome. Grab it. This stuff right here. Hopefully you can see it. All right, Meguiar's Hot Rims metal polish. Best polish I've seen work that I would use so far. And what I'll do is very simple. Got a microfiber. Shake it up. Let me pop it open. Put a little bit on the microfiber. Right. That's plenty. See? And trying to do this with one hand. Put it on the metal. Put it on the chrome. And what it's gonna do is it's gonna look hazy. Ooh, you can't even pick that up. But trust me, it's hazy. Alright. Flip this over to a clean side and you buff the product away. Buff, 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 buff. Make sure you get all of it. Boom. Look at that chrome. That's how you polish chrome. Alright, so what I'll do now is I'll go ahead and stop the camera right here. I'll go ahead and clean, do the other side of the vehicle. Well, other side of the motorcycle. I'll go ahead and did the first two steps. I'll blow the dirt off, steam wash it, polish it, and then the last step I'll come back and show you how I actually apply the wax and how I clean the seats, clean and condition the seats, and a couple other things. All right, so I'm back. So finish the chrome. There's the chrome, nicely polished with the Meguiar's. Next step is the wax. So I'm just gonna show you right here on this side right here how we put the wax. It's like a liquid wax. And put it on. All the chrome is already done. Make sure you get it. You can put it on the chrome itself too, so it's not gonna harm it. It's gonna protect it. Okay. So this side, just put the wax on it. Then I'll come back in and hand buff it off, and then you'll see. Last step what we'll do is the seat. And then let me go ahead and wax this whole vehicle, and I'll show you the rest of the steps. All right. So we already washed it, waxed it, polished the chrome, not in those orders. Last thing I'm gonna do is the seat. And what I do is put my cleaner on there, get my brush, and let me switch hands, and I work it in. Work it into the leather. Make sure it's clean. And I'll just do this seat just to show an example. So I'll work my leather cleaner in. Okay, let me grab clean microfiber rag. Okay, and then I clean it out. All right. Okay, it's gonna take a second to dry. So now, seat's clean, it's drying, as you can see. What happened was when we cleaned it with the brush, we took out some of the, let's say, dirt and grime that was in there. We need to condition it now. So what we use here, leather conditioner. And you can see, top is broken. Pop that in. This is like conditioner for, you know, like you would use on your skin. Alright. So we come back in and we apply it. We apply it, wipe off the residue. And I tell you, this is just demonstration purposes only. I'm just going to do the seat right here, and I'll finish it up. But yep, there you go. Leather's clean and conditioned. Not clean and conditioned. Clean and conditioned. Gives it a, you know, richer look. But yeah, this bike is pretty much done. Quick view of the bike. Indian motorcycle. Beautiful. Front. One beautiful bike. Look at that. All the chrome is shining. It's beautiful. Well, it's a quick video on how we at Fresh Eco Steam Cleaning detailed a motorcycle. Hope you enjoyed it. Catch you later. Bye.